Hello everyone, this is Sensei Starman, and welcome back to Let's Play Tales of Monkey Island Chapter 5. Last time you'll recall, we started exploring the rips in the crossroads. We reunited with Mr. Winslow and discovered that he has formed a love connection with Anemone the Mer person, which enabled us to get our hands, metaphorically, upon the voodoo locket, and our ghost portrait let us enable it to let us temporarily repossess our body. And now we're going to hopefully find a more permanent way to fix that.
Mr. Winslow?
Yes, sir?
Would you mind pressing the button again?
Certainly, sir.
I'm back!
Hold your ground or I'll take you down myself! Ghosts are one thing, but I really hate zombies!
I surrender!
You do? Terrific! Off to jail with you!
Bug Eye, we're neighbors!
Shut your cheese hole, zombie boy. You're the reason I'm in here, you know.
Alright, I'll keep it down.
Alright, so now...
Okay, I can't believe I'm actually about to do this. Oh, disgusting. It tastes like earwax. Nope, that didn't do anything. Guess that wasn't the spirit gum.
That's that stalactite up top.
Free Guybrush Threepwood! Free Guybrush Threepwood! No new taxes! Down with porcelain!
Hey, lay off the banging or I'm gonna shove that mug up your blowhole!
Free Guybrush Threepwood! Free Guybrush Threepwood! Oh, this just isn't the same. Uh-oh. I feel a depossession coming on. Uh-oh.
Welcome back, sir.
You know, every time I pass out in the jail, they haul my body back to the bar and redecorate it. You think I should go back as a ghost and check on my body? Yeah. Who knows what strange party favors they'll dress my body up in next. Thanks for the advice, Mr. Winslow.
Certainly, sir.
Mr. Winslow?
Yes, sir?
Got an idea, though.
Would you mind pressing the button again?
Certainly, sir.
I'm back!
Hold your ground or I'll take you down myself! Ghosts are one thing, but I really hate zombies!
Well, I am holding the mug again.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood. I mean to kill you all!
Oh, back so soon, sir?
Ooh, yeah. Maybe I should try a different approach.
Well, it seems to me we need to go back as a ghost. Because there was something we managed to do before as a ghost that could be helpful.
Hi, everyone. I'm back.
Shh! I be trying to concentrate here.
Hey, WP.
Hold on a tick. I've almost got my stroke back.
Ooh, I'm a scary ghost.
Yeah! Quit that! You aren't scary! You just screwed up my concentration!
Alright, my corpse now has a mug full of root beer. Alright, so. One more time.
Mr. Winslow?
Yes, sir?
Push the button, Frank.
Would you mind pressing the button again?
Certainly, sir.
I'm back!
Hold your ground or I'll take you down myself! Go, sir!
I surrender.
You do?
And skip this, and... Alright, so now...
A mug of root beer. What was once one of my favorite fountain treats will cause any spiritual matter to burn and pop. Let's see how spirit gum reacts to a little root beer. Ooh, that brings back unpleasant memories. Oh. Hey, now this is delicious. And tingly. And...
Hey, keep it down over there.
whoa. Now that is spirit gum.
Yeah, let's pester Bug Eye a little bit more.
How you doing over there, neighbor?
Okay, that's all we can do.
This stalactite of gum looks pretty fresh. Dust, spit, and just a hint of lavender. Otherwise, it's completely tasteless.
And I'd be willing to bet we've got a little bit of a shout out to the Shawshank Redemption here.
Hey, look at that! A gaping round hole in the wall. The voodoo lady must have escaped through this. Convenient. Alright, corpsey body. Let's go get that Cutlass of Cthulhu, save Elaine, and take down LeChuck once and for all.
Hey, don't you leave me here! Come on, at least give me some gum!
Haha! I'm back, LeChuck! Now that I have my root beer proof and only slightly rotting body again, I can touch anything I want. So get ready to be touched. To death! Sharp, pointy death. Finally! Ouch! How piece you that stings!
Do you think I'm some kind of dolt, Threepwood?
Dolt?
This sword now has enough demonic power in it to bring down a god. Did you think we'd let you get your mortal hands on it?
Seriously, who uses the word dolt anymore?
With just one swipe, that sword could completely obliterate your body.
I do wish you hadn't made such a pest of yourself. I wanted you alive to see me marry Elaine.
I've told you a million times, LeChuck, I'm already
Till
married to...
death do you part, Threepwood. And that part has already been taken care of. Elaine, my dear, please dispose of this irritating corpse.
With pleasure.
Elaine, sweetie, stop! It's me!
What?
Good news, sir! I found the map!
Mr. Winslow!
How dare you! I have a wedding ceremony to plan, a dress to pick out, a reception to arrange, and some bridesmaids to slaughter. I don't have time for this. I'm more powerful now than I could have ever been as a lowly governor or a pitiful pirate.
Stupid sponge. I liked you better when you were smaller. Smaller. I've got to shrink that sponge.
This is marvelous. You really think you still have a chance? Go ahead, give it your best shot. I'll even give you a head start. Just know this. There is nowhere you can go where I cannot find you.
Listen up, Sponge. It's time you lost some weight. I still have my Feast of the Senses spell in my body. I just need to find someone who can help me reverse it.
Well, the only person that we've got around who's still here to help us, who might be inclined to help us, and the guy who seems to know everything about all the spells around here.
Hi, Caleb.
Oh, hello again, Dry Rub.
It's Guybrush.
That's what I said.
Can you help me reverse this spell? You said you were a connoisseur of the occult, right?
Feast of the Senses. Trying to watch your figure, eh, Porky?
What? No, it's not for me, obviously. It's for...
Don't worry, Carnivorous Wood.
Oh, come on. That doesn't even sound like Threepwood.
Losing weight is easy if you follow a strict diet. Here, try this.
No, I don't need a diet. Never mind. Diet of the senses. Like a sponge, you are bloated in your hips and thighs. Block out the sight with a cover for your eyes. The smallest mouth snacks on a tiny whispered word. A sound so petite it is barely heard. A light touch for an appetizer, stay true and thrive. A delicate feather, plucked from a bird half alive. Your sixth sense is bloated with fates not yet dealt. You'll find that a secret will help tighten your belt. Fight the smell of the after-dinner treat. Eliminate odor and the urge to eat. To keep off the weight, you need food with no flavor. Find a taste so bland there's nothing to savor.
Okay, did we get that very important poem down?
Hi, Caleb.
Oh, hello again.
You wouldn't happen to be keeping a secret that you'd like to share with me, would you?
A secret? Yes, I think I have a secret. But you cannot tell anyone.
What is it?
Well, just between you and me, I think I may be just a little bit off in the head.
True, but that's hardly a secret. See you later, Caleb.
Sure, anything's possible.
Well, I do think I know where the sight one can be dealt with. And now we've got a physical body, we can pick it back up.
How come there's only one of these? I thought all probationary members had to wear blindfolds.
Probationary members? There are no probationary members here.
But your bouncer said...
Ho ho ho, that rock rib! Always good for a laugh!
Hey, WP.
Hold on a tick. I've almost got my stroke back.
I surrender. Take me to jail.
For what?
For kidnapping my own body.
Good enough. Let's go.
A taste so bland there is nothing to savor. This ABC gum should fit the bill. I guess I'll head back to the bar.
How about a towel, sir?
Thanks. Back in my regular digs, only slightly worse for wear, considering.
Alright, so I have a blindfold. I've got the well-used
A
gum.
blindfold. ingeniously designed to inhibit one's ability to see. ABC gum, for the bubble blower on a budget.
Going back this way because I'm kind of curious where that one rift goes now that Winslow has the Screaming Narwhal back. Well, Winslow's gone, but
Winslow's game props. I guess he gave up on it. Old Brute, the pirate alternative to bathing. This might help stave off that fresh corpse smell I'm starting to notice.
also something for the smell.
Old Brute deodorant. Bonsoir, stinky pits. Whoa!
Actually, let's check the ocean. After all, we don't have to worry about holding our breath anymore.
A fishnet woven of the finest meshes. Looks like Dakava's helmet found its way out of the manatee in one piece. I wonder if Dakava was so lucky.
I guess we're not going to pick up the helmet.
Booga booga! Hello? I'm trying to put together a voodoo spell to...
You get away from me with that voodoo stuff! What if LeChuck can sense it and it leads him right here?
I don't think it works that way.
Well, I'm playing it safe anyway.
What did Winslow's note say?
It was a lovely haiku. That man can say so much with such few words.
I've always found him a bit long-winded.
Only in his ability to hold his breath.
Ugh. I just thought you'd like to know that Van Winslow is leading an attack on LeChuck as we speak.
Oh, so valiant. I await his triumphant return.
Okay, so
I'll be
we're
back later.
Be careful.
probably not going to get anything useful from her, but still nice that we let her know her true love is off being heroic.
Up we go.
And that net could be useful. It occurs to me that we have not checked out the rest of the crossroads for rifts and doorways.
How goes the treasure hunt?
Fantastic!
I'm working on another voodoo spell. You seen any of these items around?
Oh, you need some kind of whisper, huh? You know, every now and again, I swear I hear a tiny voice around here saying, "It's free! Dry brush scrap wood! My trees, try it!" I thought it might have been old Stan implanting subliminal messages in me head to buy some out-of-season shrubberies.
Well, I think we have what we need to try and catch our pyrite parrots now.
Okay, I guess this is the only treasure I'm gonna get. Stupid cursed whispery parrot.
But now...
Nope. Okay.
I think that'd be an ideal quiet sound.
Aha! Now I gotcha, tiny little parrots. Oh, they're like tiny annoying golden mosquitoes.
And just to make sure...
Sorry guys, I need to keep you in a more contained space than my jacket pockets. Aw, they're so cute! I can barely hear their tiny voices squawking out, "I'm Guybrush Threepwood, mighty pirate."
Alright, let's check out this portal.
Threepwood.
Whoa, Nelly! The spirit binding must be messing with my head.
Hello, Guybrush.
Ah, you can do that too?
I'm sorry, but I must still conceal my whereabouts and communicate through the vessels of nature's works.
You picked a dead seagull?
A perfect place to go unnoticed.
I can't help but think the advantages of flight could be more useful. What the heck am I, anyway? I feel one step removed from a zombie.
You are no stranger to the reanimation of corpses. You are now familiar with the form that LeChuck has known so well.
So, you're saying I'm a zombie?
Defining such states is folly in the realm of voodoo.
I'm a zombie.
If you insist.
Is there anything else I should know about being a zombie? Are you flush with zombie advice?
Your true form is not lost.
Ah, now we're getting somewhere.
But such powerful reanimation is outside of the realm of voodoo. It requires something much more rare.
A four-headed monkey?
But I'm afraid I don't know either. The spirit must be compelled to reconstitute itself. That is all I can share.
I'm sure you've heard by now, but Elaine is a demon bride of LeChuck.
Your wife's ways are her own, her fate compelled by unknown forces.
Yeah, she's a bit of a loose cannon.
For once, I agree with you, Threepwood.
Aside from joining my archenemy, I generally appreciate the sass.
Be careful, Guybrush. You must make your own choices, for Elaine does not trust in the ways of voodoo.
Your ways of voodoo have really done a number on me lately.
The ebb and flow of the tides of our suffering cannot be controlled.
Why are you doing this to me? What did I do to chap your hide?
I am not your enemy, Threepwood. In fact, I have most likely saved you from yourself.
Right. Tell that to my shambling mess of a body here. I have a semi-voodoo related question. How come when I opened the crossroads, I could pass through, but Morgan couldn't?
Maybe you still have some connection to the physical world that you are clinging to.
You mean my shred of life? Then that means LeChuck kept a shred of life when he died too.
Perhaps. Who is to say if the shred was his own?
Ever since LeChuck got a hold of your diary, he's really had it in for you.
The dread pirate LeChuck is not one for nuances. You know this, Guybrush.
Back on Flotsam, though, he seemed pretty convinced you were evil.
What else happened back on Flotsam? Did he not slaughter you and your friend Morgan Le Fay in cold blood? LeChuck is mad as usual. I do not blame him for his anger towards me, or towards you. It is expected and beyond his control.
You're saying LeChuck is just being LeChuck?
Yes.
I'm having a hard time getting over this dead seagull thing.
You must realize that oftentimes in life, it is not where the message comes from, but the message itself.
But it's gross. Why should I believe any of this?
Fine, you don't have to. I'll be going then.
Whoa, you don't have to go.
I have said all I can at this time. Good luck, Guybrush. Do not let the forces of ill will or the ignorance of others knock you from your path.
Wait! I believe you! Ah, man.
Well, untrustworthy as she apparently is, thanks to the rather convoluted writing this game took, she is our best source of information, unfortunately. But we will pick up the trail and trying to find the last things for the diet to shrink the sponge next time. But thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment if you are so inclined. And we'll continue the adventure from here next time. Take care until then.